Yesterday, we learned how to say apple or apples in Chinese. 苹果. Today, we're going to learn how to say banana or bananas in Chinese. 香蕉. Please repeat after me. 香蕉. 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 Now a little bit faster. 香蕉. 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 Yesterday we mentioned the importance of correct tone. An accurate pronunciation with a wrong tone can mean so many different things. For example, instead of saying 香蕉, you said 香蕉. That means feet that smell really good. Can you imagine how many dirty looks you will get when you tell someone in Chinese that you want to eat some 香蕉? So the correct tone is 香蕉. 香蕉. Let's review what we have learned so far. Apple or apples. 苹果. 苹果. Banana or bananas. 香蕉. 香蕉. Well done! 好样的. See you tomorrow. 明天见. I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.